You paid a boatload of cash for your Duramax L5P, and you were expecting some serious performance. And you were like, now I could jump the Grand Canyon while towing the Titanic with the Trump Tower strapped to it. But then you woke up! It's time to get your power back with an all-new Banks Derringer! How much power? It's like steroids for your truck, except the Derringer won't shrink your testicles! Having the Banks Derringer is like finding a genie and asking for more horsepower! And for Santa Claus, yes, Santa Claus! And you wanted him to bring you 61 racehorses! And then shove them in your engine because that's what driving the Banks Derringer is like. It's like Christmas every day! You'll wake up every morning and run downstairs all excited to thank your lucky stars because your truck is so awesome! How awesome! It's like when that Chinese scientist messed with the DNA of a cheetah and then combined it with a camel and then shoved it up a gorilla's ass. Okay, maybe that never happened, but the results would have been a super fast animal that got great mileage and could kick Mount Kilimanjaro's ass! You could buy another company's tuner, but you could also punch yourself in the face and then swallow thumbtacks! Banks has been giving more power and better mileage for 60 years. That's 6 decades! Holy cow, that Banks guy's been around. What is Gail, like 100 years old? But that's awesome because that old guy on the mountaintop that everybody goes to for advice is old. Einstein was old. The wheelchair guy that talked about black holes, he was old. Yoda, old! Being in the business since 1958, you don't have to worry about your truck being a guinea pig. Oh, hell no! Banks knows exactly how to treat your truck. He'll cradle it, rock it to sleep, and then wake it up and feed it full of awesome sauce! Talk about bringing new life into your truck. If you thought it was cool and Frankenstein brought that creepy dude back from the dead, holy cow, get ready to say jumping Jiminy on a BOGO stick. Why didn't I call Banks sooner? But wait, installing the Banks Derringer must be really complicated, right? Can you walk and chew bubblegum at the same time? Can you plug in a lamp? Can you breathe? Congratulations, you're qualified to install a Derringer! So what are you waiting for? You want your truck to be able to tow Thor's hammer or pull King Arthur's sword out from that rock in England? Or you want to drive up the side of Mount Everest? Call or text us or go to the interwebs and browse us. Just get your Derringer and start driving with real power. Banks power!